India has officially joined the US-led Global Technology Alliance, PAX Silica, signaling its commitment to securing the global artificial intelligence and semiconductor supply chains while reducing reliance on non-aligned nations. The announcement was made on the sidelines of the India AI Impact Summit in New Delhi. The move was formalized through the signing of the PAX Silica Declaration by Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw, US Under-Secretary of State for Economic Affairs Jacob Hellberg, and US Ambassador Sergio Gore in the presence of other senior officials. The step follows the signing of a bilateral trade deal between India and the US aimed at strengthening ties between two of the world's largest economies after previous tensions over tariffs. So what is PAX Silica? Launched in December 2025, PAX Silica is a US-led strategic alliance designed to protect the global AI and semiconductor supply chains. Its core objectives include fostering cooperation in critical minerals, semiconductor manufacturing, and artificial intelligence. Member nations include the United States, Australia, Greece, Israel, Japan, Qatar, South Korea, Singapore, UAE, and the UK. Jacob Hellberg highlighted the strategic importance of technology, stating that oil and steel power the 20th century while the 21st century runs on computers which rely on minerals such as lithium and cobalt. So how will this be significant for India? Well, India's entry into PAX Silica is expected to deepen cooperation with the US in advanced technology sectors, from critical minerals to AI and semiconductors. The alliance provides a shared framework among trusted nations to develop AI and technology systems of the future, covering the full technology supply chain from energy resources to AI models. The long-term goal is therefore to unite leading tech-driven economies, enabling them to harness AI's economic potential and benefit from the emerging AI-powered global economy. Overall, the PAX Silica Declaration explicitly recognizes AI as a transformative force reshaping global markets, supply chains, and economic structures worldwide.